friends, and welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Kayla King. Please hit that like and subscribe button. You do not want to miss the content that I have coming to this channel. I'm so pumped about the new videos that I'm going to be posting. This is going to be a great year, and I'm super excited about all the recipes that I have coming to you, so you do not want to miss out on them. So I am following an intuitive lifestyle, which means I'm just enjoying all foods of the food group, and just all foods are here for a purpose. They all have a meaning. God created them, and they are all wonderful in my opinion, but they are some that's healthier than others. So that is what this video is about. I try to eat as healthy as possible. My family tries to eat as healthy as possible. So yes, we do have fast foods, but I also like to cook. I absolutely love cooking. And so that is what I do a lot here on this channel, is just share with you recipes that my family enjoys, like the taco recipe. So my shrimp tacos, if you have not seen that video, go check that out. That is a great, easy go-to recipe if your family is like mine and busy, always on the go, and you're like me and forget to lay out meat. Shrimp is super easy to defrost. Just run it under some hot water and you can be ready to cook it. So that is one of my go-to quick and easy meal recipes. So I hope that helped you a little bit if you're kind of struggling of what to eat today. Shrimp tacos is never a bad idea. So on to the video. I'm going to share with you my top favorite on-the-go snacks that you can pack in your lunchbox, pack in your kids' lunchbox, take on a trip if you're going on a trip. Really good ideas. So number one is going to be bananas. I absolutely love bananas. My kid loves bananas. So we keep bananas in this house. Like, we love bananas. So bananas are great to have in breakfast recipes. Like, for example, if you want to make banana nut muffins, or if you wanted to take them and chop them up, put them in yogurt, that's really good as well, with some granola, a little bit of honey. So lots of fun things you can do with bananas. You can bake with them. You can eat them raw. You can even turn them into like an ice cream, and that's a really nice treat too for kids. So you would just take banana, dice it up, a little bit of ice, a little bit of almond milk, blend it, really good. So on to number two. My second idea that I have is popcorn. Popcorn is really cheap, really easy, but it's really good and really healthy for you. So you can buy just like your basic cheap popcorn, and that works as well, but my favorite is the Skinny Pop popcorn. So I get these individual bags. This is the white cheddar. They also have a regular one, and I like both of them. I get them in a variety bag. This one is 80 calories, so if you're counting calories, now I do watch my calories right now because I am trying to lose a little bit of weight. So I'll use an app called called Lose It, and getting tongue tied here. And so the Lose It app, I just put in everything that I eat, and it kind of calculates everything for me, shows me what I need to eat within that day, and make sure I'm in my calorie range. So I have my calories right now set at 1,500, so I'm not trying to lose the weight tremendously. I'm just trying to do it really healthy, and also trying to make sure that I'm maintaining my health really good. So making sure I exercise around twice a week. So I'm incorporating a lot of those habits in as well. And these healthy ideas are just really easy for me to just pop in Caden's lunchbox or pop in my lunchbox to be able to take to work. So I have been enjoying that popcorn at work, as well as a couple other different snacks that I'm going to show you. So the second one that I've been enjoying is rice cakes. I love rice cakes. Caden loves rice cakes. She's my daughter. If you don't know that, I'm not sure if I've mentioned that before. I know she's in one of my videos on here, but she is 10 and she loves rice cakes. And this is something that we just recently found out. Kids, a lot of times, you will not know what they're into, and then, you know, you buy something, they try it, and they're all into it, they're all excited, and I'm all about finding things that are cheap and healthy, and she loves them. So that's a really good option for me to throw in her lunchbox. This is the cheddar ones. Ranch is my favorite. Oh my goodness, ranch is so good. So I get the variety pack in these as well. And these are, this one's 80 calories. Some of them that come in the variety pack is 100 calories. Some of them's 80 calories. So if you are counting calories, it's still a really great option. I think the ranch ones, if I'm not mistaken, they're 100 calories. But they are worth it. They're so good. So I like the ranch ones, the cheese ones, And then there's also a couple other ones that come in there that you can also get them in bags that are not individual. Like you can get the full-size bags, and I'm sure it's cheaper to do it that way. To me, this is just easier for me to pop it in our lunchbox or have it to go to work with. So I will pay a little bit more for that convenience of being able to just grab it and go. So that's a really good option, and they're really good. They're crunchy, and then like there's a caramel one in there too, and it's really good. The caramel one I want to say is 80 calories, and that's Caden's favorite, so she loves the caramel. And there's also a cinnamon apple that comes in the bag that I get, and it's really good also for breakfast. A lot of times I'll just grab that and eat that with like a banana. Perfect. And coffee. Can't leave out my coffee. I love coffee. All right, so that is going to be my third one. Sorry, that's number 3. This is number 4. So Smart Sweets is a great option if your children love sweets. So this is 100 calories for this bag. They make a variety. They have like peach rings. This is kind of like the Swedish fish. This is one of my favorites, is this one. It's the one that I like. But they make all sorts of them. You can find them at Walmart. These are a little bit more expensive, but they're worth it because they're less sugar. So, and I think they taste really good. So I really enjoy these, just grabbing these and putting them in my lunchbox. Kind bars. These are great. And I find these at Bargains. Is the cheapest place that I found them. This is the Kind Kids bar. It's the chewy chocolate chip. It's 100 calories for this bar. This is perfect for like around that 3 o'clock whenever I'm at work and I get like just in a snacky mood. Like I just want to eat something. I can eat this and it kind of holds me over till I get off work. So this is really good, and also Kaden likes these, so I put these in her lunchbox when I send her lunch, and this works out good because it gives her that 100 calories. A lot of times kids don't eat that great, especially like at school and they're with their friends, they're talking and that sort of thing. This way I know she's got some calories. So besides her normal peanut butter sandwich is what she likes to take, she's been taking these as well as some of the rice cakes and some popcorn, and so it's worked out really good because I know she's getting a good amount of calories, which is going to keep her full and keep her sustained throughout the day. Besides that peanut butter sandwich, now I do strongly encourage her to eat that because I feel like she needs those calories as well. But this is a great option just to have as a snack. A lot of times when we're traveling, we just keep these in the car with us. They work out really good. So I get these at Bargains. You can get a 30 count box of these for $5.99. That is super cheap. I mean, they are more than that at the grocery store, like at Walmart. If you go there to pick them up, they are a lot more expensive. But Bargains, if you are near Pelzer, South Carolina, they have a Bargains food store. This video is not sponsored by them, but they have some really great deals in there. So that's where this comes from, because I pick up groceries in there sometimes, and I just grabbed these this past weekend when I was there. So just quick and easy snack. Last but not least is my all-time favorite protein bar. Like, this is out of this world good. Like, I cannot explain to you how good these protein bars are. So my absolute favorite protein bars that I am super obsessed with right now are Built Bars. So these are the Built Bars that I get. I order these online. This is one of my absolute favorite ones. It's 150 calories. This one is the cookie dough chunk, and it has pieces of cookie dough in it. Guys, it's so good. It is so delicious. And I have a discount code, so I'm going to pop that discount code on the screen. Check these out. If you have not purchased these, you can buy them in a box that has like all of their flavors. That's the one that I usually get. And then if there's some like these that I absolutely love, they have a box that you can actually create your own box. So I'll get like 3 different flavors that comes in that box. And they are so worth it. I love these. They are so good. And you can eat them if you put them in the refrigerator. They're really good in the refrigerator. They're really good heated. Like, you can pop them in the microwave for a few seconds. Or you can just eat them like they are. And I've been really enjoying these Built Bars at work. It's a great snack, like I mentioned, at 3 o'clock when I'm just in that little snacky mood, but I want to eat something healthy. I'm reaching for a Built Bar. I'm reaching for these granola bars, but Built Bar is my absolute favorite, and Built Bar actually keeps me fuller than the granola bars do. because I guess the protein in them that just kind of helps me and helps me sustain throughout the day. So these Built Bars, y'all, they're my favorite. I love them. They don't taste chalky or anything like that, like your other protein bars, your typical protein bars. These taste like a candy bar. Like, honestly, I would think I was eating a candy bar if you just took the wrapper off and handed it to me. It's that good. You do not want to miss them. Check them out. They are so worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this has given you a few ideas of grab and go snacks that you and your family can enjoy. Please like and subscribe this video. Stay tuned for future videos. Let me know in the comments if you have really good healthy snacks or snacks that you consider healthy and good. I would love to hear about them. That may be something that I want to try. So give me some ideas. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope you enjoy food of all the food groups. And I will see you again soon.